Hello, this is Pavel under fire, and here are top 5 investment mistakes to avoid in 2024. Welcome to my channel, and if you like my content, please make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I really appreciate it. Mistake number 1, not investing at all. Saving money alone won't cut it. You will lose money to inflation over time. Invest to beat inflation. Mistake number 2, skipping the emergency fund. Life's unexpected events can hit you hard. Build a safety net of 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Mistake number 3, waiting too long to get in. Timing the market is tricky. You can't predict the perfect time, so invest a fixed amount regularly to avoid missed opportunities. Mistake number 4, investing too much at once. Start small, avoid overwhelming changes in your investment value, gradually increase your investment over time. Remember, time is on your side. Mistake number 5, ignoring taxes. Be a tax savvy. Utilize tax advantaged account and smart investment strategies to minimize your tax burden. Those are my top 5. Where are you with your investment journey? Any goals for 2024? Drop me a comment. I'd love to hear that. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching.